Good morning, guys. We're back at it, man. Morning motivation, waking up with a purpose. Let's make something magical today. Make it happen. We're here to build. We are here to build today. That's why we're on site, man. We're going to stay on site until we finish it, you know? Sometimes you don't know where to begin. You know, just grab that first block, that first Lego piece. When you were a kid, you know, we played with Legos. Grab it, assemble it, and then find another piece, you know, and put it on top. Start there, and then find another. And you may not know exactly what you're putting together, but I assure you, you're gonna start having some fun. Just like when we were kids, putting things together. A little glue, some popsicle sticks, you know, pipe cleaners, making things happen. Why'd you stop? Why'd you stop creating? Why'd you stop building? That's what you were born to do. You were born to create. So create something today. Make something magical today. Make your future happen today. And again, you may not know the direction, but you can enjoy the experience. The child may not know the end. They're just, boom. My daughter just puts block on top of block on top of block, just trying to make it as tall as she can make it. The form, well, the form is either here nor there, but the function is there. She's building it to the sky. I tell her, build it high, build it to the sky. And that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna build it high today. You're gonna build it to the sky. The form might be a little janky. You might not have the right colors, the right pieces, you know? Your pipes might not all fit the right way. The equipment might break, but you're gonna keep building, because that's what we do. That's what you do. That's my morning motivation to you. Don't stop building. And that's externally and internally. Build yourself up. Build yourself up today. Love someone today. Hey, apologize for the audio. It's kind of windy out here. Be sure to subscribe to the page. We're going to take it to a less windy spot, man. Hey, check me out on Instagram at Mark Drew Speaks. And go get it today. Peace.